welcome back to the Hebert house. First, I want to thank you so much for being patient during these last 2 weeks where I've been on bed rest. I obviously haven't been able to make a lot of videos, but I do have some really fun ones coming up, so I hope you will stick around and catch those. If you will please hit that subscribe button now and make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on cleaning, organizing, decorating, and obviously our pregnancy journey, which a lot of you are here for, and thank you so much for all of that support. So I usually do these videos each month. This is going to be our August empties video, and I just show you the products that I've used in entirety and tell you my honest opinion. None of this is sponsored, and so I don't get paid by any of these companies, but I just like to share my honest opinion with you. I will link all the products below. Some of them are affiliate links, which just means that my little family gets a little bit of something back to help our shopping go a little bit easier. So if you do use those links, I will say thank you very much. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, one more thing. Before we get started, I have a question, and I want y'all to leave your opinion in the comments. Do you guys like these videos? Because I like watching them just because I learn about new products, but I didn't know how you felt about them, if you like them, or if you thought maybe I should alternate between like empties and favorites. If you guys would rather just see like my monthly favorites, or if you'd like me to alternate back and forth. Let me know what you think in the comments, because obviously I want to make videos that you guys love, and so let me know. Okay, let's get started because I do have a big basket today. So the first thing first, I have these. These are by Scenty, and they are the washer whiffs, and this is in jammy time. I love these. They smell so good, and they make my laundry smell so good. They're kind of like scent boosters, but from Scenty, and I really love them. Unfortunately, they are not a natural product, and so we won't be using them anymore, sad face, because I really super duper love these. But if you do not have to have natural products, or if you don't have to have anything like that, I strongly suggest these. These make your laundry smell so good. My sister does sell Scenty, so I do have to disclose that, but I'll put her link down below if you guys want to order these. They smell so good. All right, next up, all right, this is my disclaimer. This is going to be TMI for some, but we are going to be talking about feminine products. Okay, so back after I had Everett, I decided that, and found out about the MTHFR. I've told you guys I switched over to all natural products, including my feminine products, because I found out that a lot of them have bleach in them, especially like pads and tampons, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm putting something that's been bleached in my body or on my body, and that's awful. Like, what? So I don't use tampons often, just because of just putting anything inside your body obviously can cause issues. But when I do have to, for like swimming and things like that, I switched over to this brand, and this is L Organic Cotton tampons, and this I got at Target, and they come in this like tin, and they're great. Like, they work fine. They have the same applicator as like the Pearl brand by Tampax, which I like. It's like a plastic applicator, but it's biodegradable, and they aren't that expensive. Like, this comes with 30, and I think it was like $6. So to me, that's not that expensive. I mean, obviously if you're very, very frugal, it may be, but for me to not have to put chemicals and bleach inside my body, I was like, okay, I'll pay for it. So I just want to tell you guys about these. Like I said, they're at Target. All right, next up is this Miss Meyers Clean Day Lilac scent. This is part of their spring line, and I'm just running out of it, which is really exciting because I just got all of my fall line in from them, and all of the fall line smells so good. I'll link that video up here of where I'm showing you guys the fall line and telling you what I think about it. I do have the mum scent that I just got, so I'll let you guys know in another video about that. I'll also have a link down below if you want to order anything from the Grove Collaborative, where if you spend $20, you get a free Miss Meyers set, which gets a hand soap, a dish soap, and the multi-surface spray, which I use Miss Meyers on everything. I love it. And all of their fall scents are available right now. They have pumpkin, apple cider, and mum. So if you want to use that link, like I said, my family does get a little something back, and that just allows us to continue to bring you videos like this. So I would love for you to use that, and plus you get a free Miss Meyers set. Like, no brainer. Either way, the lilac scent is delicious. Oh, it smells so, okay. I know that I do this in every video because I'm an associator. So like this smells like something my grandmother used when I was younger. Like a soap that was in her bathroom. Not that that's gonna appeal to any of you guys, but it just smells really good. Obviously it's very floral, but it's also very light, where some of their scents can be stronger. All right, next up, I think I do this one in every one, but I just wanted to tell you guys about it again. This is the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. I use this every month in our shower, but why I put it in here again, because I know I do it in every video, is I want to tell you that I just found out that they had a refill pack. Because I was buying this over and over again, but they have a refill jug that I'm going to order next time from the Grove, and so that way I don't have to do that. But this one is the eucalyptus mint. Obviously I use it every time I get out of the shower, and I don't have to clean my showers often, which is great because that's my least favorite chore to do. I hate cleaning my showers. All right, next up, this laundry detergent. I told you guys in the last video, and I'll link all of my all of my empty videos down below so you can check them out if you want to. Told you about that I had to give up my favorite detergent when we went into natural cleaners, and that was the Gain Lavender. So I did try this one. This is Simple Truth laundry detergent. This is from Kroger. This is the clean brand for Kroger grocery stores, and this is in wildflower scent, and it was fine. I mean, it didn't knock my socks off. The scent wasn't like extremely clean. You know, like when you like pull a shirt out of your dresser and it just like hits you that like laundry smell? That's what I want. This doesn't really do that. I mean, it cleans your clothes as much as it can, but it doesn't give you that. I am using now the Method laundry detergent, and I'm stoked about it. So I'm hoping I'll probably have that done and can tell you about that in September. But so far, so good. So that was that. Okay, I think the rest, oh no, there's more. I think the rest of the stuff is beauty supplies, and there's a bunch in there, so I'm gonna try to go through them pretty quickly. This was the last cleaning supply. This is the Caldrea Dahlia Red Currant Spray. Yeah, y'all, this is like my favorite thing ever, and it's gone, and I'm so sad. This is a holiday, like a limited edition spray, so I'm hoping they bring it back out during the holidays this year, and if they do, I'm gonna stock up on it. Like I said in my last Grove haul, when I got a new Caldrea spray, Caldrea is not cheap. It's like a luxury item to me. So I only use it when like guests are coming over, because it is really like a strong smell, but it's also very expensive. Like this bottle I think is $10, which is outrageous to me, but it just smells so good. This lasted me like 6 months because I'd used it sparingly. So just a note, but gosh, Caldrea, if you're listening to little old me, please bring this back because I love it. Okay. Let's get on to beauty supplies. The first thing, I told you last time that I had been using the Simple wipes, but I switched over to, and I never know how to say this, Cetaphil. These wipes, and I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. And guys, if you're looking for products and you have a Bed Bath & Beyond, they always have good organic products, and you can use their 20% coupons. And so I usually can find them there cheaper than Target. Just a little note. But I love these. The towelettes are very thick. They're very moisturized. They do not have a smell. So if you're looking for something fruity or smell goody, they do not. This is just they don't have any kind of smell. They are just great. And I got the ones for sensitive skin. Let me see if I can get that to focus. I got it for sensitive skin, and they're great. I've used them. I'm actually on my second pack now. So those are wonderful, and they don't have a bunch of chemicals in them. All right, next up. Oh, this is just the box for it, but I wanted to tell you guys about my jade roller. I wonder, do y'all want me to do a video on jade rolling and like maybe my beauty routine? Let me know that down in the comments too. I have been jade rolling for a little while now, probably about 2 months, and I really can tell a difference. It helps with like detoxing. It helps with like your lymphatic system in your face. It helps to tone your muscles. It helps to make your moisturizers go in better, and I really can tell. Baby is literally giving me like all the pimples, but I really love it. It's really great. So you should check out, just Google like jade rolling, and you can find out a lot of information about it. All right, next up, this is a trying to conceive product that we used. We used this Clear Blue, sorry the light, it's the Clear Blue Easy Ovulation Test. and obviously it worked. We use this for 2 cycles, and it's just so handy because it really does tell you that with combining it with my basal body temperature exactly when we ovulated. And so we were able to really get in there and make sure, like, before we ovulated that we took care of business so that we could get pregnant. And so just having something telling you when you're at your peak ovulation so that you can do that really helps. So we really like this one. We got this at Target. I think it's like $34.99, and it comes with 20 tests. So that's okay. Next up, these are 1 a day for him VitaCrave Teen Multis. I've been getting the dude to take these. See if I can get it to focus. To take these. And at first he wasn't crazy about them, but now he likes them, and they give him all the daily vitamins. He's a picky eater. He's getting better, but he's a picky eater, and so I've noticed since he's been on these that his face is clearing up just a little, and that he seems to have a little bit more energy. He's not like a go run around the block kind of kid, but I can tell a difference also in his immune health because he has not had any mystery fevers, which is great. So just wanted to show you guys those. All right, how long back? Let's go. I'm doing okay. Doing okay. All right, next up is I love this. This is a hairspray that I've been using for years. This is the Extra Body Firm Finishing Spray by Paul Mitchell. My hair, even though it's curly, does not hold a curl really well in the Georgia humidity, and this stuff works. I love it. It's an extreme hold. I think that I got this at Ulta. I'm pretty sure I got this at Ulta. I did not rebuy it because I'm trying a different hairspray right now, and I've been trying to use less hairspray, so I did not rebuy it, which is probably the first time in like 10 years. But it's a great hairspray if you're looking for something that's going to hold like really well. If you're in the Georgia humidity or southern humidity, if you're in any humidity, this holds really well. All right, next up, another hair product. Okay, this is almost full. So you can tell that I didn't use it a lot. This is the Down and Out Dirty Spray. And I'm sorry I didn't use it till entirety, but I couldn't. But I wanted to tell you guys about it. So I got this because it's exactly what it does. It's a dirty spray. So it takes some of that like frizz out of your hair, like what you would have after you've worn it for a day. And you know, I usually wash my hair every like 3 days, and so like the second day, which is today, it obviously is not as fluffy as it was before. So yeah, I don't know, it made my hair too dirty. My hair gets oily really easily, and so I just couldn't use it. They used it in the salon one day, and I was like, ooh yeah, this is great, but I didn't really use it. So, but I mean, I'm sure it's a great product for people who have maybe like dry hair or like hair that doesn't get oily easily. Alright, the reason I'm like trying to go around here is because I have something in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna share yet or not. Okay, here's another, I'm sorry, here's another TTC product. Alright, so this is the Pink Stork Fertility Boost. It's now called Pink Stork Fertility. And I talked about this in a Trying to Conceive video. And I think I'm going to do all the products we use to conceive video in another one. But this, like I said, I wholeheartedly believe is why we were able to conceive so quickly after trying for 3.5 years for Everett. So this is wonderful. I love this brand. I talk about it a lot on my Instagram. They're a wonderful company. They sent me some goodies whenever they found out I got pregnant using their products, and so I just love the brand. But it is now called Fertility, not Fertility Boost. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Great product, and like I said, I wholeheartedly believe this is the reason why I got pregnant. Actually, all of my Trying to Conceive products are already linked down below. They're linked down below in all my videos. All right, next up is the Arbonne Restorative Day Cream. So, see if you can see that. I love this brand. This particular day cream I didn't love. It just made my skin a little oily. It's got SPF in it, which is great, but I have to use a different SPF before I use like my moisturizer because my skin gets really oily, so I have to use like a dry SPF. So sometimes this was a little much, but I used it all and I love it. So I didn't use it all, still a little bit in here, but I do love it. So I'll leave a link down below for this. I use Arbonne's face wash and night cream, and they're like my favorite things ever. So did I say that a lot? I feel like I say that a lot. Okay. Okay, so I just have 2 more small products to tell you about. This is one that I got in a Birchbox. This is Hollywood, California Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. And this is just a mask. Let's see if I can get it to show up. There you go. I loved this mask. I absolutely loved it. And I've heard such good things about Glam Glow. Now, the actual product is pricey. I'm just going to tell you, that's why I have not pulled the trigger in buying it, because it is so pricey. But I've heard wonderful things about it. So I do like it. I just haven't pulled the trigger in buying it because it's really, I think it's like the one that I want is like $75. I can't, that's too much, but I really like it. So that, and then the last thing is the Essie, and I just actually have several of these, but I just put the top coat in because I had to rebuy it. So this is the Essie top coat for their gel series. I just put it in here because I had to rebuy this one. I have a lot of their colors. I love this. I love getting my nails done, and I love getting gel nails because they last so long. Regular nail polish just does not last with me. I do too much with my hands. I move too much. I'm in the water too much, washing dishes, cleaning. And so I switched over to this by Essie, and I love it. It's such a good product, and it really makes my nail polish last a lot longer. I even use it on top of their non-gel polishes, and it makes it last longer. So I really love that. Alright, so that is my empties. Those are my empties for August. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you like these videos, if you want me to do favorite videos, comparison videos. Tell me what you like, and so that way I can make sure that I'm making content that you want to watch. And I'll keep saving my empty bottles. I hope y'all have a great day. God bless.